खूबसूरत, आपकी लिए एक खूबसूरत तोहफा ही बना, और वो खूबसूरत तोहफा जो था, आई थिंक आई रिमेंबर दैट टाइम बिकॉज हम लोग ईपी के, आई थिंक दोज वर द लास्ट डेज दैट खूबसूरत वाज ऑफर्ड टू यू. Were you competing for that, or it just happened because of Humsafar उन्होंने देखा था and they just got in touch with you, or did you have to audition for it?
Well, I did. I gave him a screen test. And yeah, it happened because of Safar in Zindagi Gulzar. And again, it was more of a why not? चलो यार चलते हैं देखते हैं क्या होता है किस तरह how do they work as well.
At that point, because वही बात है कि म्यूजिक से, like you said, कि मेरा दिल हट चुका था. You venturing, you already did that film. उसके बाद टेलीविजन भी कर चुके थे. Mentally तौर पे were you prepared कि okay, this is something that I actually want to do now, be on that international platform as an actor?
No, I was not prepared for anything. I was winging it यार. जिस तरफ हवा का रुख चलता था, मतलब लोग कहेंगे यार लोटा भी ऐसे ही होता है या झंडा भी ऐसे ही होता है, जिस तरह हवा का रुख होता है उस तरफ झंडा लहराना शुरू कर देता है.
पाकिस्तान में तो वैसे भी लोटे बड़े
लोटा नहीं झंडा.
झंडा.
But no, in all honesty, I kind of was winging it, you know. Wherever the water would take me, I would go.
What was your biggest concern doing that film? Was because obviously it portrayed you as a good-looking man, Amir. I wouldn't say that there are many layers to that character, but
Yeah.
it was like that day ki Barbie and Ken.
No, it's a Cinderella story, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I never really gave it much thought, यार, because मुझे अच्छा ये लगता है, और ये मैं अगर लेट्स सपोज जो एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स होते हैं या ऑलवेज एंजॉय द प्रोसेस. इफ यू एंजॉय द प्रोसेस द प्रोडक्ट विल शाइन, और एटलीस्ट पीपल विल कनेक्ट विद दैट. देखिए, गुड वाइब्स ट्रांसलेट, ठीक है ना. और आज मैं उस जगह पे खड़ा था, मैं कहता हूँ आई डोंट वांट टू डू इमोशनली हैवी स्टफ. देयर इज दिस, आई थिंक, वन प्रोजेक्ट दैट आई एम डूइंग नाउ. उसके बाद आई एम लाइक, I can't do this, man. I don't want to do emotionally heavy stuff.
It takes a lot out.
Yeah, it takes a lot out of you, and it's just after a while it becomes irritating.
अच्छा,
मुझे तो लगता है कि वो हो जाता है because जब एक होता है ना जो आप ये, मैं किसी से पूछ रहा तो कहते हैं यार, I was like, how do you handle it? They're like, हम मेथड करते ही नहीं, हम बस करते हैं और बंद कर देते हैं उसको. So it's like, but अच्छा, I don't understand that. I was like, maybe I'm a much dumber actor, and that I need to at least justify those lines, but your characters rub off on you, do they not?
they do, and you unintentionally आप अपना ही एक हिस्सा प्ले कर रहे होते हैं. I always found that. मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मैं कोई मैनिफेस्ट करता हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपने अंदर का ही एक हिस्सा पोर्ट्रे कर रहा होता हूँ.
So I think अगर वो हिस्सा आप में एग्जिस्ट भी नहीं करता, it's like something that just grows out of you while you do it.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
If you keep doing this stuff, there'll come a point where you'll actually turn into one of those, hopefully not turn into one of those things, but उसका एक sort of वो होता है, एक negative impact पड़ता है. So that is why I would rather play comedies. I would love to do action, यार. Just do stuff that is no frills, no emotional drama. Just stuff that you enjoy. Like summer blockbuster material जो होता है, जिसको हम कहते हैं, which is just popcorn flicks.
And that you did, and that became the biggest film of Pakistan history, which is Maula Jat.
Maula Jat is a bit of a violent and emotional roller coaster.
It's a summer blockbuster.
It is a summer blockbuster.
Yeah.
But मैं कह रहा हूँ इससे भी थोड़ा सा एक notch filter down कर दें अगर आप.
Okay.
You know, like your Mission Impossibles.
You
know, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि हमारे लिए तो ये बहुत बड़ा jump है.
Tom Cruise.
Sir, biggest movie star of this generation.
Hands down.
उससे बड़ा movie star नहीं है इस generation का.
Hands down, yes.
He is like the definition of a movie star. So, मैं ये कह रहा था कि मजा, मुझे लगता है कि sort of no frills, you know, no emotions kind of stuff. That is just good fun entertainment. And coming back to जिस तरह आप खूबसूरत की बात कर रहे थे, उस वक्त भी I wasn't thinking. I was just like, I was riding the wave. And I had a great time.
But that put you on the
those
map.
journeys were memorable for me because the teams that I worked with, such synergies थी. There was no negative vibe. It was only positive. Or at least that's what I felt.
And same happened with Kapoor and Sons. Kapoor and Sons,
Kapoor
I
Sons,
think,
so for me is again close to my heart because of more so because of the team.
I think it was a wonderful film, and
Thank
I think your character was so well driven, and that was the first time I actually saw you act. मतलब being your old friend and being a person who has seen you grow, I think that was your truly acting ability that came out.
Debut. That was my acting
I
debut.
saw you, and especially that father scene. I cried.
It's a powerful film.
Yeah.
It's a very, मैं शकुन को ये कहता हूँ, खैर I don't know अगर उसको मैंने अब याद नहीं कि मैंने कहा है कि नहीं कहा, लेकिन I was thinking about this, and if he ever gets to hear this thing, if you make a film like that, एक भी ऐसी आप अपनी जिंदगी में फिल्म बनाने बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. वो एक बहुत बड़ी फिल्म है. Like बॉक्स ऑफिस वाइज शायद ना हो, बट वो एक बहुत बड़ी फिल्म है. एंड if you as a filmmaker can make even one such film in your life, you're good. एक भी ऐसी बना, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि वो ना और बनाए, but I'm saying that you just need to make one such film. That is how beautiful film it is.
वो एक्टिंग की ठर्क वहाँ पूरी हो जाती है.
Acting की ठर्क नहीं है. It's a great story told. I was just noticing the other day कि you don't get bored watching it. Like मैं अपने चीज़ों को देख के बोर हो जाता हूँ. Right? I watched it again and I was like, I didn't get bored.
Oh, it is a good film.
You don't feel the length of the film. Even though it's got no action. ठीक है ना? कुछ as such उसमें उस तरह का नहीं है. It's just a family drama. But you don't feel the length of the film. And the emotions keep growing in the film. And the emotions are such. So मैं जिस तरह डायलॉग की बात करता हूँ, यार डायलॉग एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि बहुत एक dialogue is such an integral part of TV and film, and dialogue can change the context of it. Now that's an emotionally heavy film as well.
काफी ज़्यादा.
ठीक है ना? But you don't feel it because उसके अंदर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके वो चीजें बबल अप होके एक आध सीन में एंड में आती हैं.
How much was the prep work?
For that,
Yeah.
we did a read maybe. So when I landed there,
Because
prep,
that was
उन्होंने
the-
जो पहले prep की वो मुझे नहीं पता. But
Because मुझे याद है कि you were shooting like 2-3 cameras at the same time, and it wasn't like it was more like a live takes and everything.
Yeah.
So that must have required a lot of work.
Yeah. I don't know कि उनकी prep कितनी थी. But normally when you do handy, so I think to a certain degree you leave it. The beauty of it is what happens then.
Imperfections.
That's the beauty of handy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So elaborate किस्म के jib और crane shots जो होते हैं वो they require a lot of orchestration, but this is not that kind of a film. So I think उन्होंने prep तो definitely की होगी, because मसला हैंडी का ये भी होता है कि आपने एक तरफ कैमरा घुमा दिया और लाइट नजर आ गई तो पूरा शॉट जो खराब.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
So you have to light in that way as well, so that you have the freedom to go around, move around, especially when you're doing a 2-camera shoot. So I'm sure उन्हें prep की है. But when I landed on it, it just looked like यार ये तो मक्खन है, ये तो क्या कर रहे हैं, मतलब this is just, it just happened and it just kept happening and there were no delays. I was like, wow.
And you really enjoyed that.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun. मतलब I think कि एक और मैंने project recently किया था. Again, it was an emotionally heavy project, but I think the second time around that, मतलब मुझे long narratives के अंदर the second time that I had a lot of fun was Asim Abbasi's project. And he's that kind of a filmmaker. He's actually a very Shakun type of a filmmaker.
Yeah.
So the team was beautiful. It was a beautiful team. Not that I'm saying that I don't enjoy the rest of the teams, but मैं कहता हूँ ना कि कुछ आपके नज़दीक होते हैं कि यार यहाँ पर मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया था.
हाँ.
तो ये थी, और एक ये recent एक ये बरज़ख की जो एग्जाम्पल है.
बरज़ख तो भी आना है, अभी हम लोगों ने देखना है ज़रूर. Talking about a little touchy subject.
बताएं.
आपने बहुत सी दोस्तियां बनाई इंडिया में और आपने बहुत से लोगों के साथ काम भी किया, and it came to a point where you were being compared to the big names. You were being compared to the big dogs. Did it piss off a lot of people over there?
How would I know that? How would I know that?
बिकॉज देखें, अली जफ़र, मायरा एंड फवाद खान, ये 3 नाम थे जिन्होंने वाकई जाके वहाँ एक डेंट क्रिएट किया, एंड वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इंडस्ट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड. You were being offered major lead roles. Do you think that happened too soon and too quick for you in order for you to become a threat?
उफ, इतना भारी सवाल यार.
अच्छा, तो आपको लगता है कि इंडिया ने आपको प्यार किया?
मुझे बहुत प्यार भी मिला वहाँ पे.
तो फिर आप
देखिए यार, मेरी बात सुनो, पॉलिटिक्स हर इंडस्ट्री में होती है,
बेशक,
यहाँ पर भी होती है,
हाँ,
ठीक है ना. और लेकिन आप उस पॉलिटिक्स को अपनी इंडस्ट्री में ज़्यादा कम्बैट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज योर होम टाउन, राइट?
yeah,
So I'm not saying that this is something that's unheard of. I'm sure it happens everywhere in the world.
yeah.
There was one thing. मैं threat या no threat की बात करूँ. So I had PRs in जो बड़ी अजीब सी. They used to kind of get, I think, angry at this. I was like, I need you to take out my name, not put it in there.
अच्छा,
So I would ask my PR that you're here just to remove me from places, not put me there.
okay.
So मेरी जो ना my manager, she's a good friend now as well. तो उसके साथ इस बात पे बहुत सारी, she was like, no, you don't know how the world works. I was like, I don't want to do Instagram, Facebook. I don't want to do all these things. She's like, but that is the norm. I was like, वो कहते हैं ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
हाँ.
मुझे लगता है जो कम दिखता है वो ज्यादा बिकता है.
अरे वाह वाह, क्या बात.
सो मैं ये बार बार करता था कि बार ये बात करता था. मैं ये कहता था कि जब काम आ रहा हो ना, उस वक्त मार्केटिंग होनी चाहिए.
उससे पहले
आई
ढिंढोरा
डोंट
ना
वांट टू शो द वर्ल्ड कि ये मैं फ्राइड अंडा खा रहा हूँ, ये देखिए मैं फला बीच के ऊपर जो है वहाँ की ठंडी हवाएं खा रहा हूँ. एंड I just feel that dilutes the power of a movie star. And this is another thing. मतलब people really argue with me today. और मैं जब Twitter account भी खोला था, I didn't open up that Twitter account. Like Sonam just opened up that Twitter account for me. Then Insta wala account, Siddharth opened up that Twitter account for me. That Instagram account.
Yeah.
I just feel that फैंस के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना जरूरी है, बट एक वो जमाना भी था जब ये सब कुछ नहीं होता था, लोग फैंस के साथ कम्युनिकेट करते थे. तो फिर
जस्ट ऑन द रिकॉर्ड आप सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं हैं?
मतलब मैं एक्टिवली खुद नहीं हूँ. माई टीम ऑपरेट्स दोस अकाउंट्स.
ओके.
एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु कैन हैंडल इट वेल. मतलब मेरे लिए ये टेंशन हैंडल करना भी थोड़ा मुश्किल काम है, तो वो चीज़ तो मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो जाती है. बट दिस इज माई थियरी अबाउट diluting the power of a movie star is them being available 24/7.
How do you choose that this is good for my career and this is not? Let it be acting, let it be music, let it be even commercials. What's your thought process that goes into it?
Oof. बताएं जी.
सर उसने तो बता दिया है. उसने तो बता दिया है.
मैं मेंटल पेशेंट बन चुका हूँ, मुझे लगता है, because of this. Because it requires a certain degree of paranoia. It requires, and you have to like. So there's situations where we play mock scenarios.
हैं?
Yeah. Mock scenarios में होता है कि I will throw any question on the table. I was like, suppose I do this.
Okay.
आगे से कोई ये सवाल करेगा, फिर क्या कहोगे? तो ये कहेगा, तो फिर कहूँगा बना आगे से ये सवाल होगा, फिर क्या करोगे? तो फिर वो ये कहेगा. So this is actually an exercise that is done sometimes, and I think no, it's actually done pretty much every time. Yeah, this is why, and that's how you weigh out the pros and cons of doing something. That's how I used to weigh out the pros and cons of doing any project. So risks, मुझे लगता है मैंने अगर risks लिए भी हैं तो बहुत calculated risks लिए हैं. Like, and I think it is not the quality of my work, it's the quality of my choices that have made my career.